Hello, my name is Dr. Shiva Gabita. I teach project management, service operations management, quantitative techniques, we call it business analytics, predominantly technical subjects, and I'm here today to support the case approach to learning. Yes, you heard that right. I would like to call it the case approach to learning rather than the case approach to teaching, as the case approach predominantly focuses on the participant doing the majority of the work in the classroom. And this includes offline preparation before the classroom, discussion and contribution includes listening as well as speaking in the classroom, being able to solve problems, analyze business situations, apply concepts, map the content of the case to the textbook if there is a textbook for the course, because there are courses where the entire course is run predominantly 100% through cases. And therefore, we find there are strong supporters as well as dissenters of the case approach, both within the student fraternity as well as the faculty teachers as well. The reason, in my opinion, is because historically, students have gotten used to and teachers have gotten used to the belief or the approach where the teacher is the expert in class and the teacher is supposed to convey knowledge and the students are passive learners. The teacher is expected to do the majority of the speaking in class. The case approach is exactly the opposite, that there are different ways in which the cases are used within their specific courses. Some of them would like to use the case as a background against which they would still communicate using the lecture mode. And some of them would like to entirely listen to students discussing based on their preparation and their interaction with the teacher. And in this case, we're calling them the teacher, but the teacher is more of a facilitator of the process of discussion rather than somebody who is supposed to be the expert in class. Now the question might be asked, what value does the teacher then bring to a case discussion? The value the teacher brings is in terms of facilitating the process, in terms of knowing the content more thoroughly than any other student can possibly learn, because the teacher has done it for a long time. The teacher is also prepared for the class, which is extremely important because they'll need to course correct if the discussion is going off track. But the teacher's role predominantly is one of somebody who listens, somebody who waits and encourages students to learn on their own. It might sound amazing, but even in courses such as business statistics, I have found that students initially stubborn, reluctant, diffident, not enjoying the process, defiant, coming to the class unprepared, after half a semester come to love it, and they swear by how the case approach has transformed their learning. And the case approach brings the management of exceptions to management school, which I think is definitely a religion in itself. The metaphor that I would like to use for the case approach is that of the blind man and the elephant. The elephant, again, the African elephant is different from the Indian elephant, and therefore the context is important. But the blind men have never seen an elephant in their life. They only know a part of the elephant. And through discussion, they probably get to appreciate other parts that other blind men are feeling or being able to appreciate. And together, they know more about the elephant than they would individually. However, it must be understood that the elephant is much bigger than the sum of the parts that these blind men are able to appreciate. And therefore, the case method, although will not give them a generalization, will give them much more than they could individually learn on their own. Although the case method is usually used to augment existing curriculum and evaluation, which therefore becomes a challenge, I believe that unless institutes believe in the efficacy of the case method over the lecture approach, the case method will only remain a portion of rather than the entire approach to learning. And this needs a change in mindset of faculty as well as students. However, there are many people who swear by the case approach, and I am one of them. Thank you.